6 straight bounce, the street scraping the bumper with the sounds for the summer that be thumping and humping. Hopping up the show on a Sunday with a fun day. Dip, skip, trip, and a...
Welcome back to another episode of Rose. I'm your host, International King, and this is my lovely co-host, Dr. Ross.
Hello, everyone.
Let's get straight to our hot topics for today, starting it off with Cardi B. So Cardi B is going to be in a new film called Assisted Living, which is a comedy film. Dr. Ross, what are your thoughts on this?
We knew it was going to happen, and we were expecting it to happen because Cardi B has been all over the internet, and it seems like her music has taken a stop, so she's going to head into the acting.
And by the way, Dr. Ross, before we move into our next hot topic, she's supposed to actually be a crook in this film. Fits her perfectly. Let's move into our next hot topic.
Yeah, boy.
And on to our final hot topic. It's come to our attention that Miss Kelly Ripa and Mr. Mark Consuelos will be producing their own crime series called Oxygen's Execution. Allegedly, they are huge crime fans, and the series takes a toll on the story or the case of Diana Kelly. So, pretty excited for that.
Dr. Ross, to me it seems like she made this film to go against the Mark Consuelos, because he's also in a crime film. But
Well,
either way,